Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Financial Time app review to see which what you're using. So to get started with a in-depth review about Financial Time. So to get started, the Financial Time, which is FT app, is a premium platform for in-depth global business news, analysis, and commentary. It delivers high-quality journalism with real-time update, curated briefing, and access to award-winning reporters covering economics, market policies, and technology. The layout is clean and professional, often features like offline reading, topic tracking, and audio articles make it convenient for busy professionals and serious reader. The main drawback is its high subscription cost, which might not be justifiable for casual readers or beginners. Also, the focus is more on detailed reporting than quick headlines or live data. And here's a overall conclusion about the platform from me. The app simply worth it for professional investors and anyone serious about global financial news, but overkill if you just want quick market update. And that's it.